Moving soon? Got old appliances you don't plan to take with you when you move? Don't just toss them out. There are smarter, eco-friendly, and even charitable ways to get rid of unwanted appliances before moving day. Start by deciding which appliances are worth keeping. If something's broken or too old to move, it might be time to let it go. If your appliances still work, donating them is a great option. Many organizations like Habitat for Humanity, Restores, Goodwill, or Salvation Army accept gently used appliances. Some will even pick them up right from your home. For items that can't be donated, check for local recycling programs. Many cities offer bulk pickup or drop-off options for large items like fridges, washers, or microwaves. Some utility companies even give rebates for recycling old, energy-hogging appliances. You can also try selling them online through Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or neighborhood apps. You might be surprised how quickly someone local will come grab it. Whatever you do, avoid leaving them on the curb. It's bad for the environment and may violate local disposal laws. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.